The United States has issued a civil danger warning. At approximately 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there had been reports of an EXE version of Gordon the Big Engine attacking anyone it sees in its path. It has been confirmed that sonic.exe has turned Gordon into an EXE. If you see Gordon the Big Engine EXE, do not approach him. Run away as fast as you can. Call 911 immediately. And do not stop running, because, if you stop running, you will face certain death. Stay tuned for local news outlets for more information during this dangerous event.